Feeling FOMO about missing out on crypto gains? Heard about staking and wondering if it's the passive income stream for you? Then you've probably landed on the two biggest names in the US crypto exchange game, Kraken and Coinbase. But when it comes to staking, which one truly reigns supreme? Is it Kraken, the exchange often lauded by experienced traders for its robust features and lower fees? Or is it Coinbase, the user-friendly giant that's become synonymous with easy crypto access? Today, we're diving deep into Kraken versus Coinbase staking to help you decide which platform is the best fit for your crypto portfolio. Staking, in a nutshell, is like putting your money in a high-yield savings account, but for cryptocurrency. Instead of traditional banks, you're helping to secure a blockchain network by locking up your crypto. For your contribution, you earn rewards, typically in the form of more of that cryptocurrency. It's a fantastic way to earn passive income on your digital assets, but the devil, as always, is in the details. And when it comes to Kraken and Coinbase, those details can make a significant difference in your actual returns and overall experience. Let's start by laying the groundwork. What exactly are we comparing here? We're looking at their staking offerings across several crucial categories: supported cryptocurrencies for staking, annual percentage yields, APYs, fees, user experience, security, and withdrawal processes. Each of these plays a vital role in determining not just how much you can earn, but also how smoothly and safely you can earn it. First up, the bread and butter, supported cryptocurrencies for staking. You can't stake what isn't offered, right? Both Kraken and Coinbase have expanded their staking options over time, but they have different strengths. Coinbase, known for its focus on mainstream adoption, typically offers staking for a more curated selection of larger, well-established cryptocurrencies like Ethereum, ETH, Solana, SOL, Cardano, ADA, Cosmos, Atom, and Algorand, ALGO. They tend to list assets once they have a proven track record and strong market cap. This can be great for beginners who want to stick to the blue-chip cryptos. Kraken, on the other hand, often boasts a wider and more diverse range of staking assets. Beyond the big names like ETH, SOL, ADA, and Atom, you might find opportunities to stake assets like Polkadot, DOT, Tezos, XTZ, Kusama, KSM, Flow, and even stablecoins and fiat currencies in some regions, through their earn programs. This broader selection can be a significant advantage for those looking to diversify their staking portfolio and potentially tap into higher yielding, albeit sometimes riskier, opportunities. For instance, Kraken has offered significantly higher APYs on certain less common assets compared to Coinbase. So, if you're an altcoin enthusiast or someone who likes exploring a wider array of projects, Kraken might appeal more to your staking sensibilities. Next, let's talk about the number one thing everyone cares about when it comes to passive income: annual percentage yields, APYs. This is where the rubber meets the road. Generally speaking, Kraken has a reputation for offering more competitive, and often higher, staking rewards compared to Coinbase. While both platforms' APYs fluctuate based on network conditions and other factors, historical data and user reports frequently show Kraken outperforming Coinbase in this regard. For example, for Ethereum, ETH, staking, Kraken has consistently offered higher rates, sometimes reaching up to 6.5% APR for bonded ETH, while Coinbase ETH staking rewards often hover around 3 to 4%. The difference might seem small, but over time, especially with compounding, these percentage points add up. For other assets like Cosmos, Atom, Kraken often presents APYs significantly higher than Coinbase. Kraken also sometimes differentiates between flexible and bonded staking, with bonded options offering higher APYs in exchange for a lockup period, which can be attractive for long-term holders. Coinbase, while offering staking, tends to have more uniform rates and generally takes a larger commission on staking rewards. This brings us directly to our next point. Fees, the hidden cost of staking. It's not just about the gross APY, it's about what you take home after fees. This is a critical distinction between Kraken and Coinbase. Coinbase is known for its user-friendliness, but that often comes at a cost, particularly in the form of higher fees. This applies to staking as well. Coinbase typically charges a commission on the staking rewards you earn. While they don't always explicitly state this as a percentage, it's reflected in their lower net APY compared to Kraken. Kraken, on the other hand, is often praised for its more transparent and generally lower fee structure, which extends to staking. While Kraken also takes a commission from the rewards, their overall fee structure and the higher base APYs they offer usually result in you retaining a larger portion of your staking rewards. This is a significant factor for anyone serious about maximizing their passive income from staking. For active traders or those with larger staking amounts, Kraken's lower fees can translate into substantial savings over time. Moving on to user experience. This is where Coinbase traditionally shines. Their platform is renowned for its intuitive, clean, and straightforward interface, making it incredibly easy for crypto newcomers to navigate. Staking on Coinbase is often a matter of a few clicks, simply by the eligible asset, and if staking is available, you'll be prompted to opt in. They prioritize simplicity and ease of access, which can be a huge relief for those who are new to the crypto world and might find more advanced platforms daunting. Kraken, while having made significant strides in improving its user interface, particularly with its main app, still retains a slightly more complex feel, especially on its Kraken Pro platform. While this complexity offers more advanced trading features and data for experienced users, it might have a steeper learning curve for absolute beginners when it comes to navigating staking options or understanding the nuances of flexible versus bonded staking. However, for those who are comfortable with a bit more technicality, Kraken offers more control and granular information about their staking activities. Kraken also has an auto-earn feature which allows users to automatically stake eligible assets, simplifying the process. Security, of course, is paramount when trusting an exchange with your assets. Both Kraken and Coinbase are considered industry leaders in security and have robust measures in place. Both exchanges utilize a significant portion of their assets in cold storage, offline, to protect against hacks. They both offer two-factor authentication, 2FA, address whitelisting, and other advanced security features. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.